Hi. Today just nice I don't know why I drive and I land up in District 28 leh. I just passed by this area, so just do a landed series for you guys lah, since you like landed series so much. So we are here at, the objective is to follow me on a journey to find the cheapest landed that you can buy. Hey, thumbs up leh, so it will encourage me to do more landed video. So remember to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See, we have reached Lingston Estate. Let's see what are the recent transactions for this estate for the past 6 months. And this is my first time here. I never come to this estate for the entire 38 years of my life. Lingston Park is here. This kind of condo what Seletar Spring Seletar Spring walao eh. Hey, you don't stay here, no one will want to come to your house.
No one will want to come to your house.
Buy the landed here, okay. But condo don't buy. So we are here at Lingston Estate. Hey, got sale for sale eh. I'm gonna find this girl. Not girl, lady. But it's number 4, is it? Is it number 4, everyone? Number 4. Don't know why no one buy. Landed don't buy for. Wow, it's sold leh. I do not know why the agent still put for sale. This land is a 3,800 square feet of semi-D. I show you semi-D, okay? Yeah, you see this one. 3,800 square feet semi-D. Okay, guess how much it was sold for? This kind of condition. 1,078 per square feet. 4.1 million for number 4. Oh, mind blown. Wow, you see? So nice, so big. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Here can build 3.5 story. And yeah, you see, I like landed estate that has like improvement. They are building. You know, some estate very sad one. Everywhere no one build one. So it's like a sad estate. This estate means people got ambition. Terrace. Terrace. Wow, got one more interesting. Got one more interesting. I show you. Come, let's go. Very near here. Okay, 你拍这个左边这个。This one, guys. Let's see whether they let me see or not. Hello. Hi. Can I come in? Sure. This owner so nice. I guess the condition is the original condition, and in 2020 December, which is COVID times, so you know people who sell anything in COVID times, they are the 水囝啦. People who buy at the time, they become Huat Kueh now ma. So they sold this one, 1,008 square feet of terrace. Guess how much it was sold at that time? They sold for 2.188 million. Recently, in May this year, it was transacted for 4.38 million. That's double the price. Wow, this person powers, yeah. I forgot to add this part, so I go and find out the land size. And based on the GFA of around 4,000 square feet, because this area can build up to 3.5 story, and based on the construction cost of maybe 380 to 400 per square feet, the construction cost is around 1.5 to 1.6 million. You can see that the total cost is around 3.9 to 4 million. So even this seller selling at 4.388 million, they don't really make a lot of profits. Guys, I saw another one, but this was sold recently, which is a semi-D. So you learned just now what? The number 4, 3,008 square feet sold for 4.1 million. So this one was also transacted recently. Where is it? Let's try on the left first. You see in front, we see people like doing like A&A, rebuilding. Wow, this one very high. 1, 2, 3, 3.5 story. Yeah, this one. Oh, you see the gate? Chui already. The gate like gone. Hey, guys, this one how much? Dusty, put up first. Guess this one 3,008 square feet semi-D, original condition. 1,002 per square feet sold. This is 4.56 million. So not only you buy this land for 4.56, you still need to spend construction costs, building costs to do this up. This was transacted higher price than just now the number 4. So is this overvalued? No, actually this is the current market price. That's why I said don't buy number 4 because usually 4 can only sell at a lower price than the rest. Wow, here got jungle. You can hear the cricket sound. Peace. You buy landed, must buy like that. Got jungle. You see? Got doggo walking. See whether. Hello! So cute. Hey, you see this lane? Jalan Kechubong. Let's go Kechubong. Oh, Kechubong. Where you stay? Jalan Kechubong. Yo, the name so cute. Okay, let's stop here for a while. I saw one of the cheapest bungalow that is transacted, and the number is good also. And make a guess, for a 7,400 square feet land, how much is sold for? This one I think this one this one. Yeah, facing road outside got road. Land size 7,004 square feet. Consider original condition. It was sold for $6 million, 810 per square feet. Wow, this is one of the cheapest per square feet for a landed property, but you need to buy like this kind of 6 million type. Let's go for the other one. That one is transacted higher. By right, the condition should be better than this. So let's see. And the brilliant thing about the 7,000 over square feet of bungalow size, developer buy the land and they chop into 2, just like this one. You see? This is the same size, I guess also about 7,000 plus square feet, and they chop into 2 semi-D. You can see, I see proposed new erection of a pair of 3-story semi-D. When you buy big land size at a low PSF, then you chop the land into smaller land, you can sell at a higher PSF. So this is how developer make their money. They bought the land for 6 million. After developer chop the land, each semi-D will cost only 3 million. This area you can build 3.5 stories. So based on GFA, I calculated the GFA 6,000 square feet. If you base on today's construction cost, about 380 to 400 per square feet, it will cost you 2.3 to 2.5 million to construct. Add back the land cost of 3 million, it will be 5.3 to 5.5 million. Add some buffer like interest costs, stamp duty costs, and pay agent fees, it will be about 5.6 to 5.8 million. And I went to Property Guru, I saw this listing, and I found that they are actually selling this semi-D at this price, 6.8 million. So with the higher buffer at 5.8 million, that means if they sell one semi-D, they will make 1 million. What? And if you see clearly, they actually bought another land, so they are building 4 semi-Ds. That means they will make 4 million for these 2 projects. Let's continue the journey. This one. Hey, walao, this one, the condition is also quite original. But this one sold 6.7 million. Whew. The only thing I can think of is just now that one. There's a road so got noise. This one no noise. 700k more expensive with the same condition, same land size about there. And I also double checked that this Kechubong area, the minimum land size you can get is 1,007 square feet. I think you also can't get a good low entry price. The entry now must buy those like less than 1,000 square feet land already. That's the overall outlook for this estate. Continue to follow me in this journey to find out the cheapest landed that you can buy, because most of the estate don't have small plots of land. Stay tuned, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you won't miss any video, and I see you in the next video.